Ever wondered how a simple idea transforms into a tangible book that you can hold, smell, and flip through? The journey from conception to a physical book is fascinating and intricate, filled with a series of steps that ensure every page is perfect and every word is in its rightful place. Let's embark on this captivating journey together. The process kicks off with the most fundamental aspect of a book, the manuscript. Authors pour their heart and soul into creating a story, an idea, or a concept. Once the manuscript is complete, it undergoes a series of edits and revisions to ensure it's polished and perfect. The next stage is typesetting, where the manuscript is transformed into a layout that resembles the final product. This involves deciding the font, size, margins, line spacing, and other design elements. The goal is to make the book aesthetically pleasing and easy to read. Once the typesetting is finalized, the book is ready for the printing process. But before that, a dummy book or a proof is created to check for any final errors or adjustments in the layout. This dummy is a replica of how the final book will look, and it's crucial for spotting any last-minute errors or design changes. Once the proof is approved, it's time for the actual printing. The book is printed in signatures, which are large sheets with several pages printed on both sides. These sheets are then folded into sections that will eventually form the book. The printed signatures are then sewn together to form the book block. This is a critical step, as it ensures the pages don't come loose or fall out. The book block is then trimmed on 3 sides to give it a neat and clean look. The final stage is the binding process, where the book block is attached to the cover. There are different types of binding, such as perfect binding, saddle stitch binding, and case binding, each with its own set of advantages. Finally, the books are packed and shipped off to bookstores and libraries around the world, ready to be picked up by eager readers. To summarize, the book printing process is a meticulous journey that starts with the manuscript and ends with a physical book. It involves several key steps, including editing, typesetting, creating a dummy, printing in signatures, sewing the signatures together, trimming, binding, and finally, packing and shipping. Each step is crucial in ensuring the book is perfect and ready for its readers. So, the next time you pick up a book, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has undergone. From a simple idea in an author's mind to a beautiful book in your hands, the process is nothing short of a marvel.